If you currently have a pressure washer at home or are looking for a simpler way to organize your pressure washer hose along with the power cord, you may want to check out this new to the market Giraffe electric pressure washer. What makes this one so nice is the ability to mount it directly onto the wall with the auto retracting hose reel. My name is Evan, and if you're new here, welcome. I previously had this first generation Giraffe pressure washer and it was great. They recently sent me their updated Pro version of this, which now has a metal foam gun in contrast to the plastic version in generation 1, an upgraded ultra soft pressure hose, a quieter performance of 80 decibels versus the old version at 90 decibels, and finally this Pro version has a service life of 200 to 300 hours versus the old one at only 100 hours. This all-in-one pressure washer has made it so much easier now to wash my Tesla at home, along with the ability to use it for other projects including the sidewalk, the house siding, and many other cleaning activities. The high pressure washer generates a maximum 2,200 psi with a rated pressure of 1,700 psi at 2.1 gallons per minute. The hose length is 100 feet to reach many items and also comes with a soap bottle, a soap gun, and various quick connect nozzles. I'm going to show you how I installed this along with more details on how it works. I'll also provide links in this video should you be interested in getting this wall mounted pressure washer yourself. When first opening the box, you'll notice the spray gun and this nozzle attachment to store your spray nozzle, and this bag with the soap cannon attachment, your screws, a level, and this garden hose attachment and spray nozzles. Looking at the rest of the unit from the box, we can see it's already assembled. On the left hand side we have the garden hose attachment, and on the other side we have the on and off switch. There are two carrying handles on the side should you want to remove it from the wall and store it in another location. Finally, on the bottom of the box, they also sent this additional garden hose attachment should you need it, and also the spray gun. First, remove the wall plate on the back of the pressure washer by taking off the tie band. The mount should fall right down. You can see how this will be mounted on the wall as it just slides into the bottom slots. This entire unit is held on the wall by gravity. Get an idea where you want to place and install this. I would highly recommend you try to install this mount into a stud and not solely rely on the drywall anchors for the 4 holes. In this case, I'll use the 2 holes on the right to screw directly into the wall stud, and the other 2 holes will have drywall anchors. I took off the entire mount and ultimately had to install the mount lower to avoid that steel plate behind the drywall. I also added on my own washers to help further hold this bracket into place. Now it's just a matter of plugging it up to the wall and connecting your garden hose up to it with the included adapter. A couple of days later, I ran some of my own plumbing in the garage to directly connect this into the pressure washer. I just wanted a cleaner look rather than running the hose around the house inside my garage. Doing a comparison of both models from my previous video, I first noticed the quieter motor sound. They did a great job at dampening the noise. Also, the pressure hose is much higher quality and much softer. I find it much easier now to retract the hose back into position without any kinks or of it knotting up. Finally, as I mentioned earlier, the service life is now rated at 200 to 300 hours rather than 100 hours on the previous model. You can see how easy it is just to pull on the hose and the reel will auto lock when done pulling the length you want out. Pull on the hose again and it will start to auto retract back into the wheel. The hose is 100 feet, which I think is more than enough to get some of the cleaning done around your house. This includes the sidewalks and exterior home washing. Washing down the Tesla with the green spray nozzle, it did a great job at auto turning on when holding down the trigger and turning off when releasing the trigger. The upgraded metal soap cannon did an excellent job at creating exceptional foam. It really stuck to the car and was not nearly as runny as the previous plastic version. This new electric pressure washer now comes with a 2-year warranty should any issues arise. From my experience, Giraffe has a great customer service as I had a new soap cannon sent to me as the other one did break on me. Overall, I'm very impressed with this new washer. Cleanup is now on breeze and the garage looks a little more neat and organized with all of the cords off the ground. Be sure to check out the links below this video to show you where I got all the stuff you saw here today. Again, my name is Evan. Until the next video, stay safe and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.